Recessions destroy businesses every single time. Restaurants close, retail chains collapse, startups vanish overnight, but 20 businesses never once flinch. Not during 2008, not during 2020, not during any downturn in modern history. These businesses actually get busier when everyone else struggles. Nobody celebrates them. Nobody films them for content. They simply keep running quietly while headlines panic about the economy. This video breaks down all 20 real businesses, real recession resistance. Not one of them is exciting. All of them are reliable. 20 proven examples, backed by decades of actual data. Let's begin. Stay with me. Every business on this list survived multiple recessions already. Not theoretically. Actually, historically. That track record matters more than any prediction ever could. Some of these businesses even predict recessions before official reports confirm them. Their volume simply spikes early. Let's go level by level. Level 1. Businesses that profit specifically when people can't pay their bills. Debt collection agencies. Recessions create defaulted debt constantly. Someone has to collect it. That someone gets paid a percentage regardless of the broader economy. Business actually accelerates during downturns. More missed payments simply means more work. Contracts with lenders stay steady for years. This industry has never once experienced a genuine slowdown during any modern recession. Agencies often expand staff specifically during economic downturns. Hiring accelerates exactly when other industries are cutting jobs entirely. Pawn shops. Cash gets tight during recessions everywhere. People need quick money without loans. Pawn shops fill that gap instantly. Interest rates on pawn loans stay high. Unredeemed items resell for real profit. Foot traffic increases specifically when the broader economy weakens. This business essentially inverts the normal economic relationship entirely. Owners describe recessions as their busiest, most profitable seasons consistently. Inventory turnover actually improves during widespread financial hardship. Bail bonds. Arrests don't slow down during recessions. If anything, financial desperation sometimes increases minor crime rates. Bail bond companies collect a percentage regardless of broader economic conditions. Demand stays constant across every single economic cycle imaginable. Few businesses feel this immune to broader financial trends. Court schedules stay full regardless of stock market performance entirely. This industry operates almost entirely outside normal economic forecasting models. Level 2. Businesses tied to things breaking that people can't avoid fixing. Auto repair shops focused on used vehicles. During recessions, people stop buying new cars. Existing vehicles need more repairs instead. Repair shops see demand rise precisely when car dealerships struggle. Parts suppliers for older vehicles thrive during these exact periods. This entire industry counterintuitively benefits from economic hardship. Average vehicle age increases nationally during every documented recession. Older fleets simply need more consistent maintenance work. VAC repair services. Heating and cooling systems fail regardless of economic conditions. Homeowners delay full replacements during tight budgets. Repair work increases specifically as replacement purchases decline. Technicians stay booked through every single economic cycle without exception. Emergency repair calls command premium pricing consistently. Seasonal demand actually amplifies during extreme weather, regardless of broader financial stress. Plumbing repair services. Pipes burst whether the economy is booming or collapsing. Nobody postpones a burst pipe for financial reasons. Emergency plumbing demand remains essentially recession-proof. Routine maintenance might get delayed, but emergencies never do. This creates a strange kind of built-in stability few industries share. Licensed plumbers report wait lists lengthening during economic downturns specifically. Fewer new plumbers enter the trade during uncertain times, tightening supply further. Level 3. Businesses built around legal and financial distress. Bankruptcy and foreclosure document preparation services. Recessions create bankruptcy filings constantly. Document preparation businesses handle the paperwork professionally. Demand for these services spikes dramatically during every downturn. Filing volumes track recession severity almost perfectly. Few industries correlate this directly with broader economic pain. Historical bankruptcy filing data shows near perfect correlation with unemployment spikes. Debt settlement and credit counseling services. Struggling households need help negotiating debt constantly. These services charge fees for professional negotiation assistance. Recessions multiply the client base almost instantly. Word-of-mouth referrals increase specifically during financial hardship. This entire industry essentially exists because of economic distress. Client acquisition costs actually drop during recessions as demand rises organically. Repossession and asset recovery services. Missed loan payments increase during every recession. Someone has to legally recover repossessed vehicles and equipment. Repossession agencies get paid per successful recovery. Volume increases directly alongside unemployment and financial hardship. This business has quietly thrived during every documented recession since data collection began. Lenders increase outsourced recovery contracts specifically as default rates climb nationally. Level 4. Businesses tied to death and life's unavoidable endings. Funeral homes and cremation services. Death doesn't pause for recessions. Families still need burial or cremation services regardless of income. Funeral homes maintain remarkably stable demand across every economic condition. Pricing rarely drops significantly even during severe downturns. This industry remains one of the most recession-resistant sectors that exists anywhere. Industry data shows funeral service revenue barely fluctuates across entire economic cycles. Estate liquidation and auction services. Economic hardship forces many families to liquidate assets. Auction houses profit from handling these sales professionally. Recessions increase inventory available for liquidation dramatically. Commission-based revenue models scale naturally with rising volume. This business essentially profits from other people's financial difficulty. Estate sale bookings often increase measurably within months of any major downturn beginning. Level 5. Businesses tied to essential services people cannot skip. Tax preparation and small business accounting. Taxes remain mandatory regardless of economic conditions. Struggling businesses often need more accounting help, not less. Complex tax situations during financial hardship increase demand for professional guidance. Accountants specializing in distressed businesses stay genuinely busy year-round. This service becomes more valuable, not less, during economic uncertainty. Firms handling bankruptcy-adjacent accounting often report their strongest years during recessions. Pest control services. Pests don't care about interest rates. Infestations require professional treatment regardless of household income. Homeowners rarely delay pest treatment despite financial pressure. Recurring contracts provide predictable revenue through every economic cycle. This industry maintains remarkably consistent demand across decades of economic history. Subscription-based service models make revenue especially resistant to short-term economic shocks. Commercial janitorial services. Buildings still need cleaning during recessions. Businesses cut discretionary spending before cutting basic cleanliness. Contracts often lock in for years, regardless of broader economic conditions. Health regulations require consistent cleaning standards no matter what. This service sits closer to a utility than a luxury in most industries. Multi-year contracts insulate janitorial companies from short-term economic volatility almost completely. And level 6. Businesses that thrive specifically because people are cutting costs elsewhere. Discount and dollar store retail. Consumers trade down during recessions constantly. Premium retailers lose customers directly to discount alternatives. Dollar stores actually report revenue increases during economic downturns historically. This entire sector counterintuitively benefits from widespread financial hardship. Distribution networks supplying these stores thrive alongside them. Major discount chains have historically outperformed the broader retail sector during every recent recession. Consignment and thrift store operations. Secondhand shopping increases dramatically during tight economic periods. Consumers seek value over brand names when budgets shrink. Consignment shops see both increased inventory and increased customer traffic simultaneously. This dual benefit makes the model unusually resilient during downturns. Few retail categories improve this consistently during recessions. Inventory essentially arrives free from households needing quick cash themselves. Extended warranty and insurance claims processing. People repair rather than replace during economic hardship. Warranty claims increase as consumers extend the life of existing purchases. Claims processing companies see volume rise alongside broader economic stress. This service becomes more relevant precisely when new purchases decline. Processing volume often becomes a leading indicator. Economists quietly track themselves. Level 7. The final businesses hiding in plain sight everywhere. Court reporting and legal transcription services. Legal disputes increase during recessions constantly. Bankruptcy proceedings, foreclosures, and contract disputes all require documentation. Court reporters and transcription services see steady demand regardless of broader economic conditions. This niche legal support industry rarely experiences genuine slowdowns. Court caseload data consistently rises measurably within a year of any significant recession. Medical billing and coding services. Healthcare needs don't pause for recessions. Medical billing complexity actually increases as insurance situations become more complicated during financial hardship. Outsourced billing services see demand grow steadily across every economic cycle. Healthcare administration remains essentially recession-proof by nature. Hospitals often outsource billing more heavily specifically to cut costs during downturns themselves. Check cashing and money order services. Banking access sometimes tightens during economic uncertainty. Check cashing services fill gaps for underbanked populations, regardless of broader conditions. Fee-based transactions provide steady revenue through every economic environment. This service remains essential for populations banks often overlook entirely. Transaction volume at these locations often rises specifically as traditional banking becomes more restrictive. That completes all 20 recession-resistant businesses covered across every level today. Debt collection, pawn shops, bail bonds, auto repair, HVAC repair, plumbing, bankruptcy document prep, debt settlement, repossession services, funeral homes, estate liquidation, tax preparation, pest control, janitorial services, discount retail, consignment shops, extended warranty processing, court reporting, medical billing, check cashing, 20 businesses proven across decades of economic history. 20 examples that quietly disprove the assumption that every business struggles during hard times. None of these require predicting the next recession precisely. They simply require understanding which services people cannot skip regardless of economic conditions. That distinction separates recession-proof businesses from businesses that merely survive good times. Most people build businesses assuming growth continues forever. These 20 businesses were built assuming exactly the opposite eventually happens. That single assumption changes everything about how they get structured from the very beginning. Every single business here shares one defining trait: demand tied to necessity rather than discretionary spending. Necessities don't disappear during recessions. They simply shift how people pay for them. Understanding the shift is where genuine recession-resistant opportunity actually lives. Businesses built on wants collapse quickly. Businesses built on needs simply adjust and continue operating. None of these businesses will ever trend online. None of them make for exciting pitch decks either. What they offer instead is something far rarer than excitement. Genuine stability across economic cycles most people never plan for at all. If this list showed you industries that quietly profit from exactly the situations everyone else fears, that was precisely the point of making it. This is POV Zenn. Subscribe for the next 20 recession-proof businesses explained just as directly as this one was. Because somewhere out there, someone is building genuine stability right now, specifically because they understood which businesses never actually stop working.